That's what it feel like. That's what it feel like. What it feel like when you start winning. Flex. This gon' wanna make you level up. This gon' wanna wake your haters up. This gon' wanna make you stay on the right train. Spike Lee, yeah, you doing the right thing. I want it all, no settlement. Yeah, I'm going hard. Yeah, you don't believe me? You can ask the last guy. I'm the top dog now. He's a small fry. Ooh. Do you feel that bass? Do you feel that bump in the room in a place? When I'm in the building, they on your face.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here, and if you are new, be sure to subscribe before you leave. Y'all, it is bob season, and I have a gorgeous bob to show you all today. I'm also going to show you guys how to melt the lace and make it look like it's your scalp. The bob that I'm going to show you all today is from Iseehair, and I love their kinky curly texture. I've been wanting to try a kinky curly texture with a blunt bob look. I've seen that look on other females with their natural hair, and I really wanted to try it on a wig, and this one is done so well, y'all. When I tell you, it is glorious. The texture right out of the package looks so good, but y'all know I'm gonna wash and define the curls and they're gonna pop even more. I'm loving this texture, this density, this length, and even the lace, y'all. It seems that Iseehair has upgraded their lace from the last time that I've used it. It's much thinner. It is transparent lace, so it's moldable, and you're gonna easily be able to alter it so that it matches your skin tone really well. And I'll show you guys how to do that. And it's gonna look really scalp-like. Now, I did get my unit in length 16, which is the longest length for this bob, but they do also offer it from length 8 to length 16, and I got it in a natural density, which is 180, but they do have it in 250, but I feel like 180 is enough, especially for the spring and summer. You don't want to overwhelm yourself with too much hair, and this hair does get very voluminous as you pick it. So now it's time to wake up these curls, so I am going to co-wash using my Aussie 7-in-1 conditioner, and I'm also going to detangle and define the curls using my Felicia Leatherwood brush. So I'm going to allow you all to watch that process, and then I'll come back on when we move on to the next step.
Out all week past 2, summer 7 evil axes. Look like tattoos, but my hands think I'm jealous. In a bad mood, cause I keep on skipping breakfast. I'll be back soon, won't you tell me I'm your best friend? Hey, I think you're really cute, can I copy you? You can say I'm pretty like my archies do. Feels looking kinda bland, what should I add to you? I'll just leave it always up, I've got an attitude. Slow down, so I keep out.
Now for stylers, I decided to use the Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum along with the leave-in conditioner from Garnier Fructis. I also decided to define the curls after applying these products, and the curls turned out so beautiful.
I'm telling myself I gotta act right. The same damn act is what I gotta get clean. It's okay, I got the pants with the patches. How I show them what I'm missing, what a tactic. Bogus, bogus, don't I listen, no reaction. Underwhelming, so complicit, I've done nothing to combat it. Yeah, I don't like college, I don't like shopping, yeah, shopping. It's like 3 years old, I don't know who bought them.
Now my natural hair prep for this particular style is going to be really easy because my hair was already slicked back in a ponytail. I do, however, need to slick back my baby hair just to ensure that's not in the way. So I'm going to do so using Eco Styler gel. I'm going to apply a wig cap and then proceed to try on the unit. My wig cap was a little too light, so I am going to color correct using the 3D Face Creator by Kiss. After completing this process, I'm going to tint the lace on the unit. I allowed the hair to air dry overnight. This is what it looks like. Now, a really cool trick that I've been using for years in order to ensure that the knots on the lace are not as prominent is to use Sally Hansen Airbrush Leg Spray. So I spray this all over the lace, and I like to use color Deep Glow. This comes in a range of different shades, so use the one that's closest to your skin tone. After cleaning off the excess makeup with the makeup wipe, I decided to also go in with my quick cover up at the roots just to define the part a little more and to ensure that none of the makeup was really showing. This is optional, but I definitely feel like it makes a difference. All right, now it's time for the fun part. I'm going to try the unit on, and what I realized when I tried it on is that I needed to cut the band in the front of my wig cap because you could actually see it through the lace because the lace is rather thin. So I only cut a small bit of it. Now at this point, you could decide to do the ball cap method, but I feel like that's too tedious. So I like to just cut a little bit of the band in the front and then proceed to add my adhesive. And I tried something new this time, y'all, so I cannot wait to show you all what it is. Before we get into that process, I am going to cut the excess lace off in the front and then I'll come back on.
Do you feel that bass? Do you feel that bump in the room, in the place? When I'm in the building, they all show face. When I'm in the building, they all say, hey. Hey, put your hands up high to the ceiling. This what it feel like when you start winning.
All right, now that we've completed that process, it's time to get into the wig adhesive. I don't use wig glue, but I love using a good gel. And I found this one. It's called Olive Oil Super Hold Wig Grip Gel. So I decided to try it out to see if I like it. So I'm going to start by putting the unit back on, and then I'm going to slide the lace back and proceed to add the gel to my entire hairline. Before beginning that process, as you all can see, the lace looks so much better. It matches my skin tone really well, and it absolutely looks like it could be scalp. Now, I do have a low hairline, but I do feel like this lace front has a good amount of coverage for my hairline, but curly hair is really good because I feel like when you add baby hair or manipulate the hairline in any way, you can make it look as natural as possible, and this one was really easy to do. Now, as for this Super Hold Wig Grip Gel, I was kind of apprehensive in the beginning about using it, but I was really impressed, and the ingredients are amazing. It's infused with castor oil for strengthening and for hairline maintenance. So for those who really like wearing a good wig and you really want to ensure that you're not damaging your edges, I'd try a gel like this. Now, the directions do state that you're supposed to cleanse your hairline of any hair products as well as makeup. Now, I did wear makeup and I feel like I didn't have any issues. After you go through the process of applying the gel, you need to actually allow it to dry for about a minute or two. I use the blow dryer to kind of speed up the process, and then you can just lay the lace down. And I like to use the back of a rat tail comb, the pointy side, to press into the lace in order to ensure that it melts really nicely. This product also states that it delivers up to 48 hours of hold. Now, I do remove my wigs every night, so I can't tell you if it lasted that long or not. It also dries clear and residue free. That was one thing that I really liked about this particular gel versus my yellow Got2b glue gel that I always use. Sometimes that can dry white and I have to clean it up, but with this one, I didn't have that issue at all. It also resists sweat and humidity, and I live in Dallas and it's very humid here, so this sounds like a winner.
I put your hands up high to the ceiling. Yeah. Just what it feel like when you start winning. This what it feel like. This what it feel like. This what it feel like when you start winning. This what it feel like. This what it feel like. This what it feel like when you start winning. Yeah. Straight to the top. That's what I'm here for. Let's go. I do believe that's what I want more. Yeah. I took a loss, but I won't take more. This what it feel like when you start winning.
I'm sure you all have noticed that there's still some residue left over from the airbrush spray on the hair. So I'm going to use mousse in order to completely dissolve that makeup and make the hair look the color that it's supposed to be. So I'm going to apply that to smooth everything out. I'm also going to refine the part because it was a little off-centered. And then I'm going to proceed to fluff the hair out. This hair is just gorgeous, y'all. It's so soft, so supple, and the curls look so juicy.
Yeah. From the ground up to the top flow, yeah. If you don't know, I'm the one they want, yeah. But hold up. Watch your face, I blow to the window, to the wall, to the door. I got the juice. I am the one keep it loose. They say, oh man, he the truth. They say he the it. Oh man, he legit. Oh man, he the one that don't quit. I put your hands up high to the ceiling. This what it feel like when you start winning. I put your hands up high to the ceiling. This what it feel like when you start winning. This what it feel like. This what it feel like. This what it feel like when you start winning. This what it feel like. This what it feel like. This what it feel like when you start winning.
Y'all, do you see this hairline? It's melted so nicely. It looks so good, but I'm going to make it look even better by adding the gel to the edges of the unit and also along the part, which is going to create shine and just make it look more sleek. And that's just how I like to wear my natural hair whenever it's styled this way anyway. So I'm going to do that and then I'll come back on.
Alright, you see this dress, you got it. This fits so good, you flaunt it. How you get so iconic? I see you, babe. Can't wait for later. My favorite flavor, like a lifesaver. Can't get enough of you. Come on and show what you know. Catwalk on your feet, casual masterpiece. You stand out so low key. Go on, make a scene. There's no doubt, it's what you made to do. Go all out, go shout it from the roof. Come on and show.
Y'all, this middle part with this bob has me in my feelings. It just looks absolutely stunning. Don't y'all agree? But I do want to show you all what it also looks like with the side part, so I'm going to do that now.
Pardon me, I know it's confusing. Little crazy till you promise I know what I'm doing. Everybody speeding, I just sit back while I'm cruising. Cool with being me, even though I may need improvement. Situations pulling me down. Let's go. Had to find my confidence, now I got it now. You know ain't no stopping it. Looking and I found what I thought I never might find. Now I got joy lasting longer than a lifetime. And they say this can't be real, there's no way. Man, what's your deal? How you getting low blow and just go high? Not getting burned when the world's on fire. Can't wait, life goes too fast, gotta stay sane. Everybody want that when the boat getting wavy. I might look a little crazy, I'm sorry.
Y'all, this kinky curly bob is everything. I cannot wait to hear you all's feedback. Let me know which one is your favorite. Do you like the middle part best or the side part? Both of them look so gorgeous in my opinion. Be sure to check the description box for all the links and specifications. Like this video, comment down below, and also let me know, have you all tried the wig grip gel? It's so good. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.
Don't mind me, I'm living just like I'm free.